Hello everyone, today is the day 11 of the training and here are some assignment questions. So the first question is share 5 things which we test in SEO testing other than which were covered in the training. So first of all, let us look at what is SEO. SEO means search engine optimization. So what is SEO? SEO is the art and science of getting pages to rank higher in search engine such as Google. So, because search is one of the main ways in which people discover content online, so ranking higher in the search engine can lead to increase in uh, traffic to a website. So the SEO testings which were covered in the training where page title should be optimized. So every page should have meta tags and meta description. So image all the text. No broken link should be available on the website. So image should be light and website should load less than 5 seconds. So other than this, there are SEO testings which we can improve. There are strategies to improve our SEO. The first one is update the existing content. So optimizing your site's existing content is often the fastest way to improve your site's SEO. So the second one is aim for featured snippets. So featured snippets are those large boxes that you see on top of these Google search boxes. So Google search results. So your descriptive subheadings to rank for them. So the third one is target low competitive keywords. So if you're using some high keywords that can rank less in this SEO, so using the right keyword is one of the most important aspect you can say here. So get backlinks from authority sites. So the fourth one is getting backlinks from the authority sites. So getting a backlink from a variety of high authority sites should be a big part of your SEO strategy, because without backlinks ranking is even more challenging here. So the fifth one is track matrices with Google Analytics. So it's important to know that with matrices you pay attention to in Google Analytics. So to see exactly how your SEO is improving. So these were the other 5 SEO testing strategies. So these were the one which I explained. Update the existing content, aim for featured snippets, target low competitive keywords, get backlinks from authority sites. So track matrices with Google Analytics. This was optimized images was already covered in the training. So make sure your site is mobile friendly. So this optimize for on-page SEO factors, decrease load times, improve local SEOs, use internal links. These are some strategies to improve the SEO. So the second question is explain database testing by your own example with table and visuals. So what is database? So firstly, let us look at what is database. Database is a storage area, we can say. So uh, whatever data is coming, you need to store it somewhere. So the data which is passing, you need to store it somewhere. So that is when the database term comes into a picture. So database is a storage area. So where actual application data will be stored. So application can be web application, mobile application, so desktop application. These are all applications which we'll be seeing through. So what is database testing? Database testing, mainly we will test the database application. Here we are going to test the objects such as tables, view, indexes, triggers, functions, and so on. So these are different elements and we need to test it as a part of database testing. So we can see that here, say that we are going to perform white box testing as well as black box testing, because we are going to come see both the parts of testings here. So this is I have taken an image to explain what is database testing here. So whenever we connect to some application, so whatever details you're entering, they will be getting stored in some database. So depending upon what type of application you're using, if you're using a simple application, you need only one database. If your application is too complex and you need to store very huge amount of data, then you need to have too many databases. So depending upon the application what you are using, you need to choose how many database, what like how much size of database is required to store the data. So whatever database is getting stored, we will extract that data, we will transform it, we will load it, and all the data together are combined and stored it in data warehouse. So we will analyze the data, and based on that, we will be having the analytics, data analytics. So database testing, it is divided into two types, that is white box testing and black box testing. So to perform white box testing, we need to have a coding knowledge. So in the language which we are using in databases, SQL. So SQL means structured query language. So you need to know, you need to have a coding knowledge here if you're going for database white box testing. So white box testing, in white box testing, we have a schema testing where we will be, you should know how to create a table. So how to create a table columns, how you're going to view that, how you're going to see the stored products, what are whatever functions you need to write in the SQL, you need to know that. What all are the triggers, you need to uh, know everything related to coding here if you're going for white box testing. And if you're going for black box testing, black box testing is also known as architectural testing, and white box is known as structural testing. So white box testing is divided into two types, functional testing and non-functional testing. So in functional testing, you are going to do DML operations with GUI. DML means data manipulation language. So DML operations are select, insert, delete. So these are all the operations you are going to perform with respect to Geo application. So data mapping. So whatever data you are getting it from the application, you are going to map it to the existing database. You are going to check whether the data which you are receiving is in the correct order or no. So, and data integrity and keys here, and functional testing, you're going to perform that. So non-functional testings are the performance, how your how whatever is the performance, whatever is the security thing, you are going to check here in non-functional. So the load, whatever amount of data you are able to receive, if it is in the high amount, if it is in the low amount, whatever is the load, whatever is the stress, and how much secure is your data, all the things will be taken care here by non-functional testing. So this was about this today's assignment. Thank you everyone.